Hey guys, it's your girl again with another video. So today's video is gonna be about Siser Easyweed, and I'm gonna be doing a review on it, on how it feels on a shirt. I did a video on Thermoflex, how it feels on a shirt, and I'm gonna be doing like what they call it, a wash test on Siser Easyweed, and also on Thermoflex as well. So you guys watch out for that video. But I wanted to go ahead and do a review on this because some of you are like going back and forth which of them is the best, which of them you prefer. So I'm gonna make it easy for you so you don't have to go buy and test. So I already got it, so I'm gonna test it for you. If you want to see the video on Thermoflex, check this card here, or you check in my description box. I'm gonna show you it's gonna show you how it's gonna tell you more about how it feels. And I'm gonna be using the same design that I used for that video, so I'm gonna use it for this video. And this time I'm gonna be using an orange vinyl. The other one I use a white vinyl on a orange shirt, but this time this is gonna be an orange vinyl on a white shirt. So it is fall season, it is Halloween, so I just wanted to, you know, keep the color Halloweenish color, if that makes any sense. Fall color, Halloweenish color, whatever you call it. I'm just kidding. But anyways, let's get into it. I already got my design. I got my design from I got a brain fart. I got my design from Etsy store, and I love this design so much, and I already got it cut, so I'm gonna weed it. So for those of you that don't like weeding, you don't know much about weeding, and you are going back and forth if you want to go this route, because there are different ways you can make t-shirts. So for me, I love to weed. It is very therapeutic. Do you guys love this shirt? Do it for the culture? Yeah. I'm just kidding. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and weed this, and we are gonna go from there. So for me, I love to weed, so I'm gonna just go ahead and weed this. I'm just clearing up stuff so I can have more room for weeding. And for the Thermoflex, if I can pronounce, this was a shirt that I made. So pretty. I love it. Love it. If you guys are interested in this shirt, go check my website or my Etsy store. It depends on what I got on the description box. I may have the both of them, so you guys can go check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower this so you guys can see how I weed. So weeding, like I said, is very get this thing down. So this is my weeding station. I press, I weed, I do a lot on this table. So for me, weeding is very therapeutic. I love to weed, like really do. I'm not kidding, I really love to weed. So I like to weed from the side, the angle. So I go from this side here and pull. And for those of you that haven't done this before, when you're laying your vinyl, because I did not do this from the scratch, when you're laying this on the mat, you always put the shiny place down. So this is matted and this is shiny. You want to always place this side down, because this is where the vinyl is and this is where the carrier is. So you want to make sure that you are laying this part down so that when you pull it out, you have the vinyl on the carrier sheets. So I'm gonna go ahead and weed this. So I'm trying to compare the both of them when it has to do with weeding. Let me see, let me go far. They weed same, they weed just like butter, like it weeds so good. I think this one weeds better. I think so. So for weeding, I think the Siser Easyweed weeds better. Oh, just talking about that. That's the name. Siser Easyweed. It does weed easily. I didn't know it does weed easy. I did not even think about it. Not until now. Like, that's the name. I'm repeating myself. I had to think about it. I'm repeating myself, but yeah, that's the name. So it does weed easily. And we are gonna see if it does, if I'm not gonna fill it on the shirt. For the thermoflex, you can hardly feel it, so that was a plus for me. That was a win-win. If you guys want me to do like a comparison, like a side-by-side comparison video, you guys let me know. I will do a side-by-side comparison video. And also, if there's any other vinyl that you guys want me to review, let me know. I will be willing to do it for you guys. So anyways, so now I am gonna go ahead and get the middle part, because I need, okay, there we go. Trying to concentrate so I don't weed out the wrong spot, the wrong side, because this is supposed to be like a window design, if there's any word like that. In my opinion, it's like a window. You're opening up the design. So I call it a window design. Why I say it's a window design is you have an opening and you just have the vinyl like a line, a stroke. So that's why I call it a window design. That's me just calling it what I feel like calling it. So you can call it whatever. So you can see how pretty this is. So I'm making sure I don't have no carrier, no vinyl, little vinyl sticking somewhere, so I don't. I used to have my trash can somewhere else, but I decided to put it underneath this table here. So I'm just gonna cut this just a little bit. Alright. So this is so pretty. You guys can you see that? It is so pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and prep this shirt before we press this on the shirt. So I like to just get out all the lint so that does not transfer into the design, because that's gonna be so ugly. You will not like it. So I will just, you know, get that length out. Alright. Place it. I'm gonna place it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this is my placement ruler. I like to use this so I can know where exactly to place the design. And in the past I have placed it wrong and it seemed like it's all the way to the neck, so you don't want to do that. Some people say they do four fingers down. When you do 4 fingers down, it doesn't equal to this. It depends on your fingers if it's big or small, so I do not recommend that. I recommend you just go for this ruler here. It is so helpful. But anyways, this is just a hack I usually do. I usually like fold this into 2 and give it a pinch. When you're folding this into 2, make sure you're folding it by the design. Place it for the design to be like kissing on each other basically, and not the carrier sheet. So that's something that a lot of people miss. And so now I have gotten my middle. So this is my middle. I'm gonna go ahead and place this, and make sure you take this off. That is so hot. So I want to make sure this is centered really good. So I'm using my T ruler, and I want to make sure that centered. I'm gonna let it go, and I want to make sure that this is aligned horizontally correct. So I'm gonna go ahead and just check with my ruler, and that looks good to me. So you can actually buy a T ruler that has an extra ruler on the side, but I did not, when I was new to this whole thing, excuse me, I did not do that. I did not know there was something like that. So as you do, you will be learning a lot. Okay, I see the spot that I was supposed to take out, so that was a good catch. It's so little, but I'm gonna take it out. So that I was supposed to take a closer look before doing what I'm doing right now. So let me take a closer look again. Make sure there's nothing hanging somewhere that I did not get. Alright, everything looks good. So when using your pashler, you want to take it outward, pick it from the middle and take it outward. And this looks good to me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Poshmark paper, or whatever the name is. And this is supposed to be for, let's see, 3:05 and 10 to 15 seconds. So I already have it for 3:30 because yesterday I was doing something. I was actually pressing the thermoflex. Thermoflex is for, they recommend from 3:20 to 3:30. So that was the reason why I still have it on thermoflex's settings. So I am changing it back. I'm changing it back to this. So looks good to me. And I'm gonna go for it now. 15 seconds. It says from 10 to 15 seconds, but I'm gonna leave it for 15 seconds. I always go for the highest. When they give you a recommendation, I go for the highest. So you're gonna hear the beep, 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 beep when it's ready, and it is ready, obviously. And we're gonna look at the instruction. This is a hot peel, so make sure you're paying attention to the instructions, because the instruction is, ooh, that's pretty. This is so pretty. I love this. So bring it closer for you guys. So guys, this is it. This is how pretty it came out. Okay, I cannot feel this at all. Wow. Let me do the stretch test. It did stretch real good, and no, it doesn't feel no crunchy, and there's no crack. I love this. It came out good. You guys let me know what you think. I really love this. So wow. So guys, this is the end of this video. I will definitely go for Siser Easyweed because first of all, it's so easy to weed, just like the name sounds, just like the name implies. It's Siser Easyweed. It's easy to weed. It is so easy, super easy. And for the feel, I cannot really feel it. Real talk, I cannot really feel it. And I will have to recommend Siser Easyweed. If you guys want me to do like a side-by-side review, a side-by-side detailed review, and a wash test at the same time, let me know. I got y'all. I'ma fix that. I'm just kidding. I'ma take care of that. So just let me know. I got y'all. So, but anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, honey, what you waiting for? I'm just kidding. But anyways, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. It's free. You don't have to pay for nothing, so why not hit it? I'm just kidding. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the bell button so you can know each time I post a video. And go ahead and hit the like button so that other crafters or potential crafters can see this video, and this video can help them make a decision on what vinyl to go for. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. But before we go, don't forget to stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day. Bye.